that you see there, wait a second, that you see there is a Himachal range of Himalayas, and it goes from Jammu and Kashmir to Nepal, all through an arc. And there's been a fresh snowfall. It's in October, so yeah. Here are some places you can visit when you come to Chamba. Sanch Pass, Pangi Valley, Chamba, Baragarh, and Ghazi is also near. Manimesh Point viewpoint. We'll also be going there. From there, it's a very good view. And towards my right, it's Jodh, Chwari, and you can go downwards towards Kangra and other districts of Himachal. This is where we came from, and there are two pathways, one to that side, one above. So let's continue. At the uppermost viewpoint, and let me show you something. Okay, so that you see is a direct view of Manimesh Hill. Can't see the lake there, but that's the range where the Manimesh Hill point lies. I'm with my friends, my school friends here. Yes. So I got a suggestion last time that I should make videos more informative, so this time I have decided to make more informative video and tell more about the place I visit. Right now the height is, I guess, more or less 1800 meters. Yes. At the most uppermost point it would be more like 22 or 2500 meters. Continue. So guys, one of our scooty is out of fuel, yes. And what we have found is
this. So in the hills, if you get out of fuel, you will not get a pump, but you will get this. Right? This is for 100 rupees 1 liter.
Hashtag sustainability. It is time. It's good to travel. This was all that happened right now. So I hope to see you here on my channel. I'll keep posting more videos of music and travel also. So please stay tuned and thank you so much for being there.